Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use your USB mic to your camera directly. You don't have to record separate footage on your camera and audio on PC. You can directly use your mic to your camera. You don't have to purchase expensive wireless camera or a jack mic. If you have purchased USB mic for your PC but don't have a budget to buy a separate mic for the camera, then I'll show you how can you do that. So right now I have a 5-fine mic which I have recently purchased. I was very confused or when I was thinking of buying a mic. So guys, if you want to use your USB mic to your camera directly, then you need first of all a 3.5 mm jack male to male aux cable. So this will allow you to connect your mic to your camera directly. So you don't need any USB or type C cable. You just need to connect one end of the cable to your mic. So I'll connect directly in front of you. So you have to first of all connect in the headphone jack here. Connect your cable, aux cable, one end to the mic and one end to your camera. So directly here. Now connect your USB to your PC. You must be thinking like why did I connect my USB to PC via USB cable? So guys, because mic mic takes lots of power to function properly and the camera cannot provide that energy, that power using aux cables. So first of all you have to go to just tap on menu, go to third page of your video settings, choose audio record level, and from here guys make sure your audio level do not exceed 12 dB. So now once you guys connected all the wires correctly, now you have to control these knobs on the mic. So first of all, this is our gain mic knob. You have to rotate it to the fullest, so you have to rotate completely. So make sure to increase at the maximum level of your mic, and now you can directly hearing the voice from my mic. On the headphone volume knob, you have to keep it at low. You can see that if I am increasing the headphone volume, you will see there's lots of noise coming out of the mic, but if I reduce the headphone, you will notice that the voice quality is much better at low volume of the headphone. So that's why you have to adjust these settings as well on your mic to get the best voice out of your mic on your camera. So these are the things you have to do, and yeah, hope you like it. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and I hope if this video is helpful to you, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.